Hey guys, I hope you guys can all hear what I have today. So here, if you take a look at this, I'm going to zoom in real quick. Actually, if I can kind of do this, zoom in a little bit, kind of move it up a bit. There we go. Move down, and you can see the little hexagram, the hexagon, and then the little two circles in there. That is the seal, the circle of Saturn. So you got, Saturn. And then we're gonna do a little bit of gematria. So in the house of Khazar, right, which is the Council of Khazar, or the house, the Council of the House of Khazar. I'm gonna show you. Right, so in the word, the seat, there are 72 seats in the house of Khazar. And we obviously know that 7 plus 2 equals 9, and that is a number of the moon, as right here. So, we got that out of the way. Now, within these node points, so mind you, all around the world, you have what is known as these node points. Now, I'm going to draw a separate little diagram here. So, between the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, you have what are little node points. Okay, so you got North Pole, you have the South Pole. Mind you, there's a bit of a tilt, so it's not exactly, it's more of kind of like this. You got a 23.5 degree tilt. And that's a very specific number. We're going to get back to that in a bit. Because you'll notice that's, so between these Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, we've got the equator here, right there, and then we have these little node points all up and down this world, all up and down. All right, we got ones in the Pyramid of Giza, got some in the Mediterranean. There's one specifically in the Canary Islands. One specific island, sort of, it's a little off between where Spain touches Africa. There's this little point, tiny little point, and that's actually where one of the conduction nodes is at. This little point right here. That's a little place in the Mediterranean between Spain and Africa. All right, it's kind of a good place to start. And you're gonna see why it's important in a bit. So 23.5, the gematria, when you add up the numbers, that becomes 10. Well, it's 5, 5, 10, 1, 1. And if you look at the word seat, right, seat, the numbers add up to 10, which breaks down to 1. So if you're using the Saturn square, right, which is a 3 by 3, I'm going to show you this. So you got the 3 and 3 right there. And so when you do the 1, 2, 3,